Hingfat. Where are we?
For Hingfat.
What do we get? What do we get?
Hingfat fried rice. They're special and it's delicious. It has lapchung, prawns, pork, chicken, veggies. On top of the fried rice.
Can't wait to try it.
And eggs. And an egg.
I'm pumped. Alright, so here's the Chinese food. What is it?
Hingfat fried rice.
Okay. How do we eat it?
We just dig in.
You just dig in?
We
Alright.
just dig in.
Okay. Looks pretty amazing. We got shrimp. What's this?
Lapchung.
Lachong?
Lapchung.
What's that?
It's Chinese sausage.
Chinese sausage. Never had that. Never even heard of it. What's this? Chicken?
Chicken, and there's some pork in there as well. Here's
Okay.
pork.
And what's the green in there?
Pak choy, broccoli, cabbages, carrots, onions.
And how much was this?
$2,000.
Which is how much US?
Almost $10.
$10. Alright, that's a pretty good deal for that amount. Alright, so we're gonna try this now. And by the way, if this is normally, what does he say, $12? $10? He said this was $10. $10 US, but most of the other stuff is like $5. This is like fancy. We're being fancy.
Very fancy.
That was the broccoli. That was really good.
Hold on. You gotta try with the pepper. We need the pepper.
The Chinese sausage is real good.
I wonder if this is their homemade pepper or they just got the pepper sauce.
It reminds me of super sod.
Of what?
Super sod.
What's that?
It's like an Italian dried meat.
Now I want to try that.
It's really good. But yeah, it definitely doesn't. It's not exactly the same as Chinese food in the United States. Really good. Yeah, it's amazing.
That's an egg.
Very delicious. Try it with the egg. And what's it called again?
Hingfat fried rice.
That's the name of the dish? Just Hingfat fried rice.
This is their house special.
So it's called Hingfat. So this is what they're...
So different restaurants, they would have their special,
Yeah.
with their name. And then there's a Chinese fried rice. And then there's just like chicken fried rice, mixed fried rice, veggie, egg. Yeah.
So this is like their take on...
Yeah, this is their specialty. Their special.
What's this?
Pork.
Very good, babe. Very, very good.
I want some more pepper sauce.
I like all the different meats.
Some pepper sauce.
The rice is real good too. Pepper sauce. I gotta just taste the pepper sauce. Oh yeah,
You like it?
it's a bit hot.
It's
It's good though. Yeah, this is amazing.